90 days is enough time to become unrecognizable, but not because time is magic. Time is nothing by itself. 90 days only changes you when every week is used as evidence. Every day has a standard, and every old excuse loses its hiding place. Most people say they want to rebuild themselves, but what they really want is a new feeling. They want the dramatic reset, the clean notebook, the perfect morning, the sudden version of themselves who no longer struggles. That version does not arrive first. The standard arrives first. Rebuilding yourself is not becoming a different person overnight. It is proving repeatedly that the old person is no longer in charge. You do that through small actions performed while nobody is impressed, while your mood is flat, while the old pattern is still calling your name. This is the 90-day protocol. Do not use it to fantasize about a future identity. Use it to build one. Protocol 1. Audit without lying. You cannot rebuild a life you refuse to measure honestly. Most people begin with motivation because motivation lets them skip the uncomfortable inventory. They say, from now on, everything changes, but they never name what actually broke. Take one page and write the current state of 6 areas: body, mind, work, money, environment, and attention. Not the inspirational version, the real version. Sleep, energy, weight, skills, income, debt, clutter, screen time, unfinished promises. The point is not shame. The point is visibility. A vague life cannot be rebuilt. A measured life can. When you see the real starting line, you stop wasting energy pretending. You can finally aim at the right problem instead of fighting fog. Protocol 2. Choose one identity standard. The fastest way to fail a reset is to try to become 10 people at once. You want to train, read, build a business, fix money, quit every bad habit, wake up early, learn a skill, and become calm forever. The speech sounds powerful. The nervous system hears chaos. Choose one identity standard that will lead the others. I'm a person who keeps promises. I'm a person who trains before excuses. I'm a person who protects deep work. I'm a person who does not negotiate with cheap distractions before noon. One standard gives the next 90 days a spine. It becomes the rule you return to when the plan gets messy. You're not asking, what do I feel like doing today? You're asking, what does this standard require now? Protocol 3. Design your daily floor. Motivation loves extreme plans because extreme plans feel like transformation before any transformation has happened. But the life you are rebuilding will include tired days, busy days, awkward days, and days where confidence is nowhere in the room. Your daily floor is the minimum action that keeps the identity alive under pressure. 20 minutes of training, 30 minutes of focused work, 10 pages, 1 sales call, 1 clean surface, 1. This floor is not your limit. On strong days, do more. On hard days, protect the floor. The floor prevents one bad day from becoming a bad week. It teaches your brain that the new identity does not disappear when the mood does. Protocol 4. Remove the old triggers. A new identity cannot survive for long inside an environment designed for the old one. If your phone sleeps beside your bed, the old morning is waiting for you. If junk food is in the house, the old evening has a vote. If every app is open, the old attention pattern is still in command. Do not make weakness convenient. Put the phone outside the room. Block the sites before the work block. Prepare training clothes before sleep. Clean the desk before the morning. Move temptation farther away and move the next right action closer. This is not about pretending you have no cravings. It is about respecting how habits work. The old version of you is trained by repeated cues. The new version needs better cues, not heroic speeches. Protocol 5. Train body and mind together. A rebuilt life needs physical proof and mental proof. If you only think new thoughts, your body remains undisciplined. If you only train your body, your mind may still avoid the work that would change your future. Every day needs 1 physical vote and 1 mental vote. Train, walk, run, lift, stretch, or sweat. Then study, write, build, practice, solve, or create. One vote proves you can command your body. The other proves you can command your attention. The goal is not perfection. The goal is integration. You're teaching the whole system to move in one direction. Body, mind, environment, and schedule all start saying the same thing. We are not going back. Protocol 6. Track proof for 90 days. Your feelings will not accurately report your progress. Some days you will feel unchanged while the evidence is stacking. Some days you will feel powerful while your behavior is slipping. Proof is cleaner than mood. Use a simple scorecard. Date, physical vote, mental vote, environment reset, old trigger avoided, daily floor completed. One sentence about what you learned. Review it every 7 days. Not to judge yourself, but to adjust the system. The scorecard turns invisible change into visible evidence. After 30 days, you will see patterns. After 60 days, you will see identity. After 90 days, you'll have a body of proof your old excuses cannot easily erase. The first 30 days are about interruption. You're breaking the automatic loop. The second 30 days are about construction. You're making the new standard easier to repeat. The final 30 days are about ownership. You stop seeing the protocol as something you are trying and start seeing it as who you are becoming. You will miss days. Do not dramatize it. A missed day is not a funeral for your future. It is a signal. Return at the next available block. The speed of your return is part of the rebuild. For the next 90 days, do not chase a perfect personality. Choose a standard, protect the floor, remove the triggers, train body and mind, and track the proof. Quietly, repeatedly, without needing applause. The old version of you is built through repetition. The next version will be built the same way. 90 days. One standard. Daily proof. Run the protocol.